Guys, do you know what? Jamaicans are the happiest people in this world. Despite the fact what hurricane is doing in Jamaica, watch this video. Nobody on earth can stop the joy, the happiness, the vibe of a Jamaican person. Jamaica got the vibe. Jamaica to the world, and thank you for watching the Black Beauty TV. Watch this video.
Yeah. From the island sun to the world stage, this is Jamaica, one love forever. From the hills of Blue Mountain to Kingston town, we carry a sound that shake the ground. Bob Marley say, get up, stand up for your rights. Now the whole wide world singing in the night.
From Usain on the track, lightning fast, to the rhythms in the dance that will always last. We small on the map, but we shine so bright, giving the world a little island life.
Jamaica to the world, we bring the love, we bring the fire. Reggae heartbeat, lifting spirits higher. From the beaches to the streets, feel the sunshine in your soul. Jamaica, forever saltfish on the morning plate, jerk chicken spice make the whole world wait. Patties in the oven, sweet sorrel wine, island flavor standing the test of time.
Colors of the flag flying proud in the breeze, green for the land, gold for victories, black for the strength we've carried so long, and pride in our heart is forever strong.
One island, many voices, from the drum to the bass the world rejoices. When Jamaica talk, the world I listen.